Of course you do. Stay tuned to see how my Panty Pack can give you what you want. My Panty Pack is a monthly subscription where you receive 2 pairs of panties per month, sometimes really sexy, sometimes more simple and practical, but they are always soft, they are always really pretty, and they are always extremely comfortable. So let's jump in. I was talking to my boyfriend the other day. I said, you know what, babe? I think it's time for me to upgrade my panties. And he just kind of smiled and gave a slight nod. I thought, wait a minute. No. He's supposed to say, no, babe, no, your panties are great. I love you. I love everything about you and your panties. He didn't get the memo on what he was supposed to say as a good boyfriend. But you know what? That's okay. So that means with my Panty Pack, I am not only the owner, but I am a customer. So let's see what we got. Let's check out this shipment. These, love these. I love everything about these. I love the shape. I love the softness. Oh, these panties are so soft. I wish you all could feel the softness through the video. Of course you can't, but it would be great if you can. You can feel them once you order and subscribe with my Panty Pack. One of the things that I love about these is not only how soft the lace is, but I love the edges and they're seamless. Therefore, they don't ride in or cut into your skin, that's what causes the panty lines or the VPLs that they also go by, visible panty lines. Wow, let's look at these. So this shipment, this Panty Pack was about red. This was from our Valentine Panty Pack because we wanted it all to be about red. So, and love and just pretty and sexy. So these here are the second pair, and I love these as well. Look at this print, look at the detail, love them. Now these you definitely would need to wear. These I think will go best with jeans or something with a thicker material and something really dark because you don't want to wear anything light because this will definitely show through with all of this pattern. The pattern is beautiful, but you don't want it to show through your clothes. So make sure when you wear some panties that have a pattern on it that you only wear these with dark colors, definitely not leggings, as though these would show right through leggings. But the other really great thing about these are laser cut. So this is from our laser cut collection. And when we say laser cut, that means the sides are seamless, very similar to our lace panties as well. But these are laser cut. So that means that there's no hard edge on the side. And these will lay really pretty and really flat across your body. All right, so these are the 2 pair of panties that we got for this month's Panty Pack shipment. A really pretty red pair, as you can see, all the lace and beautiful detail. And again, very soft lace. And then, of course, we have these here. Really pretty. Both of these are, let's see, I think these are a size large. Yes, these are a size large. And so one thing to keep in mind with my Panty Pack, our panties do run on the small size. So please make sure you size up. I would even say if you're not sure, if you're in between sizes, definitely size up. If you like your panties to fit you like a glove, then yeah, you can get your normal size. But if you like a little extra room in there, or if you don't like them to hug on you a little too tight, then I would suggest that you size up. With our sizing guarantee, if at any point you receive a pair of panties and they just don't fit you the way that you had thought they would fit for that size, no worries, let us know and we will happily exchange you for a pair that fits you. Thank you all so much and stay tuned for the next video.